Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create laminate. If you've already watched our previous videos, this lesson will be very easy to follow. Process, click New. Select Laminate from the drop-down menu. Type the laminate name as per your choice and set the thickness. Then click Next to continue. Here, you can set the unit of measurement standard. You can also define the size and thickness. Here, you can select a similar color. If you have a texture, you can select it by following the steps shown in the video. After that, click Finish to complete the process. Now your laminate is ready. It will appear in the list. Once again, go inside and check that all the settings are correct.